You're looking at a dinosaur that still rules today. Meet the American alligator. This predator has survived over 150 million years. It has a bite force of over 2,000 pounds, stronger than most animals on Earth.
Oh, and when baby gators hatch, the temperature decides if they're male or female.
During freezing winters, they freeze in water on purpose, sticking just their noses out, waiting, perfectly still, alive. And they don't just survive, they create wetlands, protect their babies for years, and can still run at you at 11 miles per hour. This isn't just an animal, it's a living legend. Follow for more USA animal facts.